Are you using the CANape Option Driver Assistance and eager to explore the details of the ADAS system configuration? You're in the right place. Hello and welcome. I'm Katharina, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the ADAS system configuration. Please be aware that the features shown are only available with the CANape Option Driver Assistance license. Now, let's open CANape and learn how to work with the ADAS system configuration and its two helper tools, the camera calibration tool and the camera orientation estimation tool. Navigate to the ADAS tab and click ADAS system configuration. We can now manage the system's overall settings. This configuration defines the base reference system that forms the basis for the GFX visualization. All sensors must refer to this reference coordinate system for visualization. The sensors, including extrinsic parameters, are configured here. Parameters such as the position and mounting angles of these sensors are determined by mapping signals or fixed values. Specifically, we will virtually place the sensors on the car in their exact positions. The center section of the ADAS system configuration offers a separate display of the test object for each sensor. Here, our settings for the extrinsic parameters are shown in relation to the car. This allows you to quickly compare the position of your sensors on the live vehicle with your settings. We already finished the extrinsic calibration and now need to perform an intrinsic calibration for our cameras. Intrinsic calibration is necessary when using an object overlay in the video window, for example. With the camera calibration tool, we can easily calibrate the camera's optical properties, such as lens distortion caused by the front glass or other factors. How does it work? The tool takes many pictures of a chessboard. It detects the chessboard pattern and different angles and positions to determine how distorted things are. The results are stored in a CAM file containing information about the calibrated camera. The tool can also determine the camera's extrinsic parameters, and you can visualize a test object to verify the results. If a CAM file is available, these values will also be saved. To learn more about this feature, please watch the video linked in the description. Another useful tool is the camera orientation estimation. It can be challenging to determine the orientation of a camera. This is where the camera orientation estimation comes in handy. By analyzing images captured during a test drive, the solution automatically determines the camera angles. To ensure reliable results, the recorded video should be at least 10 to 15 minutes long. This ensures there is enough time to verify all the cameras are working. For more technical insights on this topic, please watch the dedicated video linked in the description. Finally, let's examine an example of the ADAS system configuration. Looking at the scene window, we can see that the car is facing up, yet the detected objects are drawn to the right of the visible car. We can adjust this in the ADAS system configuration by selecting a different coordinate system for the sensor. This relates to the base reference system. In our case, we choose the ISO coordinate system. We click the Hot Reload button to check if the objects are now in the right place in front of the car. If so, we click OK to save our settings. There's one more thing we'd like to show you. The ADAS system configuration can be used online and offline. In online mode, the configuration is saved as an attachment to the measurement file at the beginning of the measurement. This configuration can then be used in the offline evaluation. If we have taken measurements in the past without first setting up the system, we can define this later in the CANape project and add it to the measurement file as an attachment. That's everything you need to start working with the CANape Option Driver Assistance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out. You'll find the contact details in the description below. Want to dive deeper into the CANape Option Driver Assistance? Check out our full playlist, which is packed with tutorials, expert tips, and detailed walkthroughs to help you master CANape Option Driver Assistance. Time for me and my fancy cup to go. See you!